Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS S5 SFF desktop with 14th generation Intel Core processor and platinum power supply. So friends, the ASUS S5 SFF slim desktop PC with 14th generation Intel Core processor including Core i7 14700 with 32 GB DDR5, 4400 MHz memory and 512 GB of SSD, and the more affordable variant is Intel Core i5 1450 processor with 16 GB DDR5, 4400 memory and SAM SSD, and both are equipped with Intel UHD Graphics 770 providing solid performance for everyday tasks and media playback. And you are also find the user connectivity option like Gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 with a compact dimension of 93 mm in width, 296 mm in deep, and 309 mm in tall. So, friend, it also supports dual display output through HDMI and D-Sub and comes with DVD Super Multi Drive and pre-installed Windows 11 Home 64-bit. And the power supply is 330 watt, ensure everything runs smoothly even during extended use. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.